Kia ora tamariki, kia ora whanau, te wiki o te reo Māori. Ko te aha tēnei rā. Ko te tatare. Okay, kōrero mai. Ko te tatare. Very good. Ka whai tamariki. It is Thursday. Today is Thursday. So let's sing our song. Tēnā koe tahi whā. Tēnā koe, hello to one. Tēnā ko rua, hello to two. Tēnā koutou, hello to all. Haere mai everyone. Welcome everyone. Ka pai tamariki. So today, Whaea Fou has ako for today is showing you something that is one of my favorite things, and you too, you show me. You can show me through a video, so tell mummy, daddy to record you and show me through Educa. Alright, so mummy and daddy, if you're listening, please do the video, and then you can share that on Educa with Whaea Fou and Play, Learn, Grow Kayakos. So Whaea Fou is going to show you something that she's likes going and is it's favorite to my heart, and that's Samoa. It is where I come from. So in Samoa, I'm going to show you that this is the whale. Whale. So in te reo, it will be called whare. Whare. Yeah, so it's whare. Yeah. Whare. So Samoa, we call this whale. Okay. Kōrero mai? Whale. Well done. Ka pai tamariki. Kōrero mai in te reo. Whare. Ka pai tamariki. Well done. So that, it looks like this. So see, this is the whare. This is our home in Samoa. So it's very hot. So we will sleep in here. So we sleep in this area. And we eat in this area. So this is our home. Just like your house now. And then when we go to the beaches for a swim, very nice swim, we always find these kind of shells. So mummy and daddy will know this shell, and this shell is called a conch shell. Conch shell. Now I can't, there's a little hole here, and you can make a noise in there. But it's supposed to sound like a really nice loud noise, but unfortunately I can't blow this. So this is the kind of shell that we find in Samoa. So that's my favorite thing to do, is to go to the beach in Samoa and we find shells like this. So once we see each other, I will come and I will bring you this shell and my whale. I will show you, and then you can touch them and feel them, and have a look at them. Well done. So the next one is when Whaea Fou loves to sing. So Whaea Fou will go out and find wood like this in Samoa, and then the men, they do their arts and crafts, right? So he made me a little fishy. See this little fishy? You've seen my little fishy at school. And then I just make that noise, See? Noise, see? A, E, I, O, U, A. And so the noise comes through there, Da, 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 talofa. Kia ora ka pai. Okay, so well done. So that's what Whaea Fou, those are favorite things that Whaea Fou has shown you today from her favorite place, which is called Samoa. So tamariki, make sure you do your little video, or you can save what you want to say when we see each other very soon. So before we go, we're going to sing our waiata. And our waiata will be our national anthem in Te Reo and in our English version as well. So sing up loud. So we're going to... Alright, can everybody hear that? E loa atua o ngā iwi mataura whakarorora e aloha roa Shalua ko te pai kia Okay, tamariki, let's sing. Are you ready? God of nations at thy feet, in the bonds of love we meet. Hear our voices, we entreat. God defend our free land. The Pacific triple sky, from the shores of strife and war, let the praises burn above. God defend New Zealand. Tamariki, I miss you so much. You have a great day. Whakarongo to mum and dad. So far, so fua. Ka kite anō.